6 expert tips on how to store whiskey long term. A big conundrum whiskey drinkers face is how to store whiskey properly without destroying its complex taste and beautiful fragrance. Before we go any further, be sure to subscribe to Advanced Mixology and ring the bell button so you don't miss out on awesome cocktail recipes, fun facts about your favorite drink, and bartending tips. Number 1. Always store your whiskey upright. Unlike wine, which is stored horizontally, whiskey bottles need to be stored standing upright. Whiskey's higher proof of alcohol will degrade the cork eventually if it's constantly in contact. Number 2. Keep the cork moist. To avoid the cork from drying out, flip the whiskey bottle now and then to damp it. The last thing you want to see in your gorgeous whiskey bottle is floating streaks of cork. Number 3. Store indoors at a stable temperature. Storing your whiskey outdoors is a big no-no. To properly keep your whiskey in top condition, you need to store it in an area consistently staying at 59 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Ideal places would be in your cellar, attic, or garage. Number 4. Avoid sunlight at all costs. Direct exposure to sunlight or other intense light sources is the number one enemy of whiskey. When left exposed, chemical reactions will start to occur inside the bottle that will degrade the whiskey's quality and cause it to get dull. Number 5. Don't freeze your whiskey. Expensive whiskey is best kept at room temperature. Freezing your whiskey bottles won't cause any permanent harm, but you'll only get dull flavors and a brain freeze if you drink a freezing cold one. Number 6. Store in airtight decanters or small bottle containers. The amount of whiskey left in the bottle can affect the liquor's lifespan due to oxidation. To avoid this, you can place leftover whiskey in airtight decanters or small bottle containers. The less air the container has, the slower the oxidation process will be. There you have it, ladies and gents. Storing whiskey is not that hard at all. As long as you keep these useful tips in mind, you can preserve an unopened or leftover whiskey bottle's wonderful taste and aroma for weeks.